video is rolling. Hopefully we got. Are we rolling?
You're rolling.
Hopefully we get a. Folks, don't try this at home because it's really dangerous. Sometimes a croc can land in the net. There goes the net. Now guess how many we got in the net, guys?
I'd say about 30.
30. We got a few more than 30, but some of them aren't the ones we want. So let's back up before we smash up. Look at this, guys. These are all called white baits. And they look like really good baits, but guess what? They're not what we wanted. Because they simply don't stay alive.
Okay.
They're funny little bait. Put them in here. And I don't think there's a single herring amongst them. A regular herring. They're all just
The New Zealand is a white bait.
you know, they're a good bait to chop up for a fillet bait, but they're not want to. I sometimes bag them up and I save them for when I go to the reef. Save them for burley. There's not one. Oh, there's a regular herring. That's a regular herring, and the other ones are all white baits. That was the only one, Margaret. Oh, here's another one. That's a regular herring. See how different that is?
Oh, it's small.
Maybe no, it wasn't the size. No. It's a different species, a different creature altogether. And all the other ones, there's another regular herring.
Oh, okay.
See, they're just a different. Is he gonna still stay alive? Maybe not. Anyhow, let's have another throw.
Okay.
See, and I just noticed a few sand flies.